Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to add your DNS entries in Hostinger. So from your homepage, you're going to go up and look on the menu for domains. And one of the things that you do need to know is you need to actually have a purchased domain, and you need to have one of Hostinger's premium packages to do so. You cannot do this with their free package. So right down over here, you will see all of your domains, and you're going to go ahead and click on the domain that you would like to manage. On the left hand side, you will see DNS/name servers, and you're going to tap on that. Right over here, you will see manage DNS records, and here you can change or modify the type, name, where it's pointing to, in the TTL record over here. And the information that you need here will be obtained from the platform that you are wanting to direct this or point this domain name to. Now, if this was a helpful guide, go ahead, drop us a like so we can continue making awesome videos. We'll see you next time.